Ready to turn your stunning Figma designs into a fully functional WordPress website without touching a single line of code. First, in Figma, carefully export all your website assets like images and icons, name them descriptively, ensuring you choose the correct format like JPEG for photos and SVG for logos to maintain quality and keep file sizes optimal. Now, jump into your WordPress dashboard and select a theme that closely matches your Figma design. Look for themes with customizable layouts and styling options to minimize adjustments. Later popular choices include Astra, OceanUp, or Generatapris. Next, install a page builder plugin like Elementor, Divi, or Beaver Builder. These plugins allow you to recreate your Figma design visually within WordPress using drag-and-drop functionality and pre-built modules. Now, the fun part. Start recreating your design. Use the page builder to create sections, columns, and elements. Copy the text, colors, and fonts directly from your Figma design and paste them into the corresponding areas in your WordPress page builder. Don't forget responsiveness. Most page builders have built-in tools to adjust your design for different screen sizes like tablets and mobile phones. Test your website on various devices to make sure everything looks great no matter how visitors access it. And there you have it. Your Figma design is now a fully functional, responsive WordPress website. Be sure to test everything thoroughly before you launch. Happy website building!